So for your ideal man, is there a certain monthly income that he should have for you to date him?
What? What again?
For your ideal man, okay? So we're talking about your ideal man. Is there a certain monthly income that he should have for you to date him?
For the money?
Yeah, do you require that man or that your ideal man to be earning money for you to date him? Will you date him even if he will you date him even if he's unemployed?
No, no, no. If you want to match to finder and foreigner, no need for the money for dating.
Okay.
You need to real, not for the money. We need to match. We need to meet him, not for the money. We need
Okay.
for love.
Okay.